Hello friends, welcome to today's video. I'm Dianjin. A while back, due to well-known reasons, I remember filming at home for about half a month. But I did a challenge at home. It was a challenge to only eat meat every day. But during that time, I really wanted to eat a roasted lamb leg. And also, as is well known, the relationship is very far away. All shown in mud. No, or he's always closed. So today, right now, right at this moment, I can finally buy this lamb leg. Now, I'm gonna call my friends. We'll eat that lamb leg tomorrow. Are you coming? I'm not free. Why aren't you coming? Hey, I don't have time either. Oh no, not available. Are you coming to eat with your son? Working. Hey, Lao Feng said he's coming to Chengdu. Shall we get together? I see your place isn't far away. I am nearby. I haven't treated you to a meal since you came to Chengdu. Come on. Lao Huang said, we used to make videos in the early years. I sincerely invited him on the phone. I still invited a friend. As expected, my wife is the most reliable. So we must cook this dish for him now. Delicious. It looks good. Must eat. Make him linger. This leg is still 5 catties. Remove the bones. It should still be more than 3 catties. Definitely enough for 2 people. An excellent ingredient. It should be marinated from night to daytime. First, open its membrane. I'm a foodie. This lamb leg looks really good. Wash it and then take a knife. Cut him up. I haven't cooked in a long time. This knife is too dull. You can cut it a little deeper to help it absorb flavor. I suddenly remembered that I have to make a few cuts on the sides. As expected, a dull knife gets blunt. A person who doesn't learn becomes useless. Positive energy. Brother Wong. Don't do that. Next, let's marinate this lamb leg. First, put the lamb in. Thread it. My ginger taste. Come on. It's stinging my eyes. Then add our ginger. Add a little salt and cooking wine to remove the fishiness. A little oyster sauce. A little light soy sauce. Then filter this brine. Into here. All in. Grab it. Oh, put it in and marinate it for a bit. The more you cut, the better. I'll put a sheet of aluminum foil on it. Then put it in and wrap it up. Just put it in. Why is the oven always crooked? Always crooked. Wait for it to bake. Let's bake it for an hour and 50 minutes first. Hey, Director Wong. You're here. We haven't seen each other for a long time. Gosh, I haven't played this game in ages. Hello, friends. KC Xiaohong. I found a house that I have never been to. I didn't find it either. Adding cumin makes it so much better. And add some chili peppers. Let it get rid of the fishiness. Oh, it's hot. Then brush another layer of cooking oil on it. We also need to brush a layer of oil on the inside. This lamb leg smells so good. Look at it sizzling with oil. This big lamb leg is successfully out of the oven. Now our goal is to finish it off. Wow, it's both numbing and spicy. And that flavor doesn't have any gamey taste. Follow my tutorial, you can't go wrong. You can buy some slightly spicy chili peppers. In terms of this flavor, how many points would you give it with a drink? On a scale of 10, with 10 being perfect, I'd give it at least a 9. I think so too, it's really good. It's just a bit big. I didn't expect this state of... This is mine. It's fresh. You gave me such a big piece. Oh my god, there's an ebook inside. There's no piece for me. It's really hard to mix this kind of roasted meat. You know them over the years. We used to chat with our professors. Our cars are all about games. Now they always talk about how I cooked. Although I feel like it's different. Back then, we young foodies did this, the current Oxford. I can't finish it. Back then, we ate a 40 yuan buffet. We haven't had it at home. I have to find food. Didn't eat until we needed to be carried out. We shouldn't leave, right? Not bad yet. Hey, have you seen this video? Look, I found the taste. Too fast. Did you film it in company? This video, for me, looking at that backdrop. If I were watching this video back then, would I be more proud or more disappointed? I've lost my memory. Hee. This person likes me, but he's not me. Now, ha. I've been ruined by you. I'm a useless person. You're a useless person. You're not that deep. Now, it's all up to you. I am exploring shops with my wife. She's not wearing clothes. We didn't have that innovative video. I am... This video should be about over now. Because now, although we're drinking beverages, but the beverages are also getting us a little tipsy. This lamb leg is very good. But in this video, Our focus is our friendship. The friendship of classmates, the friendship that has lasted so many years. The lamb leg, this method is not elementary. Follow the methods to do it. Actually, there's no problem at all, so it's not elementary. If you like this video, welcome to give the video a one-click 3 in a row. Junior brothers, watch. How much of this lamb leg have we eaten? Now, I'll be honest. There's not much left. Just the bone frame is left. Is it delicious? Delicious. 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 You also said you'd shoot at your shop. How do you have so many shops? No problem, no problem. Bye 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 bye.